And this is another part of the UMC, again on CU campus. We were up there at one time. And now we're going back outside again. Nice snowy day in Boulder. All the snow will probably be gone before the weekend. Today's Tuesday, so that's what the weather's like here. And by Friday, all this will probably be melted and gone. But it sure is nice now. Still kind of cold, but looks nice. Springtime snowstorm. Well, this is my break, and I gotta get back to the bus. I leave in 5 minutes. Just taking this during my break. There's my bus. Okay, so I guess I'll turn this off and maybe take a little bit more later.